Okay, welcome back. We are here to go through one or two things. Ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu asị na onye ajụrụ mmadụ jụ gị ọ ndị mmadụ gbaka aka ọnụ wee jụ gị ịma njụ onwe gị, meaning that you cannot hate yourself, alright? Even when the whole world turn against you, the worst thing anyone can do is to also hate yourself. You don't hate yourself. So unless maybe you have decided to dig your own grave. This video is a kind of reaction, but my mind is I'm boring, to be honest with you. I am not happy about the whole thing. I watched a video of Gowon in UK where he ran to, and after fighting, killing Igbos, and he's now residing in UK. He can't even go his village in Plateau State. Thank God he's alive, and we some of us that were not there when he fought, when he decided to kill Igbo people. We can see his face, right? So we can hear his voice alive. So we know what it feels about Igbos. This man opened his mouth in that video and said that killing of Igbos, that the 3 years massacre of Igbo people that he himself supervised is a fracas. He said it's just the little fracas.
I'm concerned. Yes, I'm satisfied. We are still existing as a united nation after that little fracas.
I watched that video. I was wow, really? The same man who is proud of one Nigeria, very, very proud of everything. Gowon, I'm talking about Gowon in particular, him himself, after killing our people, after killing Igbos, after killing Biafrans, says that it's just a fracas. Today he can't even go his village because of Fulani and insecurity. But people that are whatever his community and anybody is going through in Nigeria it doesn't matter. Those people that you called your leaders, both present and past, have one thing in common. One, they are the number one haters of Nigeria as an entity. Number one haters of nobody will like to set his house or his father's house ablaze. If you do, it simply means you hate your father. You cannot say your father's compound, your ancestral home in your village. You cannot just call real estate developer to, okay, come and buy. Nobody does that. If you do, simply you have some mental issue. Now it is clear for some of you that we may see that way, but let me say it. It is very clear that the reason why they can't develop anything in Nigeria is because of the hatred they have. No security, no infrastructure, no education system, sewage system, health system, healthcare, anything at all that makes a country a country. Nothing, not even transportation. Tinubu is now having his holidays outside Nigeria. So all this I'm saying now is for you to understand the kind of people that some of you are, now log on social media. Oh, Biafran. Oh, you guys are. I watched another video of one guy on comment section. I don't know. I wish to know more details. Know more about that guy. On PM's comment section, I saw a clip. Somebody that just made it there. Any man calling for the head of PM. Even now. Not only PM. Anybody that's supporting him that he's going to poison and that one will not trend because Igbo people that are using in Igbo land against Igbo people. That's a story for another day. But let me not stretch this video so that you understand, so that you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. Watch this.
As far as I'm concerned, yes, I'm satisfied. We are still existing as a united nation after that little fracas. Thank God we've made it to 6 years, and I hope we'll make another 6 years. I may not be here, but that is my belief. Always to keep Nigeria one together and to really make sure that there is a better. Sorry.
She's not in. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So.
Talk to me politely.
Sorry.
Thank you, Mom. And make Nigeria better. Yes. And what's your advice for the politician, the Nigerian politician? Look at the legal process, you know.
No, look, Chad. Now, that one, you do your best and be a loyal Nigerian, love Nigeria, good or bad. And whatever it is, if it is bad, try to make.
Did you listen to him? I hope you do. This man, you can see his body language. Even they asked him about this, about the way things are going. The only thing he could say is, if it's bad, make it work. If it's not working, make it work. Hey, Chineke God. I'm not angry with him anymore. Like, I don't call for his head or anything now. Why? My anger lies on our own people who claim that they know everything, but they still don't want to connect the dots. One thing is somebody to hate you. Another thing is for you to hate yourself. Gowon is not an Ibn not a Biafran. So whatever he want to do, whatever he feel like against our people, that is personal issue on him. But when you have your supposed brother, insider, saying or doing the same thing that others are doing against your own people, then it's a different case. Then something is wrong. If I cannot know that PM normally talk about, like I always say, of course, it's inevitable, but if I cannot have grades level by level, or get take good time for our people to, control some of this kind of nonsense in our midst. We have a lot of idiocies, a lot of nonsensical thing within us. Gowon is as old as he is, very, very wicked and heartless, just like all of them. Just like all of them. Gowon, where is your children? Your children too, because of course you're a grandpapa. Where are they? You think Gowon is in UK alone? No. These are people, because whenever they want to write his name, they put former head of the state. That title alone, he have access to many things that many of you people don't have. If you want, he himself also said something, because he understands that this thing is not going to last forever. That is why he said that he prayed and wished that Nigeria continue, even that now they have celebrated 60 years after the way, after the fracas they had. That fracas is the word that made me to start this video. If he perceived the killing of Igbo people as nothing, and guess what? If you allow some of our people, they will call him and give him chieftaincy title and anyway, tell me what you think about this, because to me it's an insult, a very big insult, and we need to do something about it. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch the video that we shared on community. Support our sister that need our help, and also support your brother here on this channel. Share the message and like it. Tell me what you think about this. It's very important. I would like to see the comments. I want to know your own opinion about this. God bless you.